Lagi ko itong nakikita sa comment section. Ano sa English ang makapal ang mukha? Pag sinabi natin na ang isang tao ay may makapal na mukha, ibig sabihin walang hiya ang taong yan. Hindi siya nahihiya. Kahit na yung mga bagay na ginagawa niya ay hindi talaga kaaya-aya sa paningin ng nakararami. Medyo may pagkabastos ang kanyang ginagawa ay hindi siya nahihiya. In English, you can use the adjective shameless. For example, the shameless politician continued making promises that he knew he couldn't keep. So yon, shameless politician. Yung word na shameless ay dinidescribe yung tao, yung politician. Another example, it's a shameless act to take credit for someone else's hard work. So medyo may pagkakapal ng muka yung ganyang pag-uugali o yung ganyang gawain, di ba? Parang inaako mo yung bagay na pinaghirapan ng ibang tao. Another word is bald-faced. So, tandaan nyo ha, ganyan ang pagkakasulat niyan. Merong hyphen, tapos faced. May D sa dulo. For example, I can't trust my bald-faced colleague who always pretends to be innocent. So, bald-faced colleague. Another word is thick-faced. I can't trust my thick-faced colleague who always pretends to be innocent. O, meron din tayong mga English expressions na pwede natin gamitin. For example, have the nerve. O, to have the nerve to do something or to have the audacity. Okay? To have the audacity to do something. If someone has the audacity or the nerve to do something, it means that that person is acting with confidence, even though their actions might be seen as disrespectful or unacceptable. For example, he had the nerve to borrow the car without asking first. Or he had the audacity to borrow the car without asking first. May kakapalan ng mukha niya na hiniram niya yung kotse nang hindi pa nagpapaalam muna. Another example, how could they have the nerve to spread rumors about me after all I've done for them? Or how could they have the audacity to spread rumors about me after all I've done for them? O yan na, ngayon alam nyo na.